Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos. So you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. So in this video, we're gonna see about the Nexus Testnet 2. So it is a port of CLI node that you can run on the VPS. So you can check the docs here. They updated it pretty good. The developer messed up with the node setup port, which web port is automatically restarting, and sometimes the CLI also doesn't work. Let's wait for the developers to fix it. In the meantime, I can prepare the guide, and I hope it will be corrected soon. So this is the guide you can set up by here alone. So you just need to install the Rust and update your packages. So just carefully watch. So the hardware requirement are pretty basic. 4 core 6 GB. You can also run with the 4 GB and you need to have around 50 GB of SSD free space. So EPS 1 is enough. Recently Counter changed the specifications. Before it was around 400 GB SSD, but right now they are offering 200 GB SSD. But if you bought like 10 days before or before the pattern of the storage and the specification changes, you can still use the same UPS, so you can upgrade for more months. So you might not, you will have the same 400 GB for your period of tenure. So you can use the same UPS that you bought before, like last month or last year, you're still using it. So also on the Redart Pay thing, if you added your card with your automatic payment, you can still use the Redart Pay method. But for new users, it's showing for some users like you can't use this virtual method at all. But I updated it, like I paid for the upgradation port last week. It works for me because I saved the code in the website alone. So if you save the code and you choose the automatic payment, just load up your USDT, it will automatically detect for it. So coming to the setup part, we just need to visit this website. So here it is. So after visiting, click sign up and choose a email method, because like on the testnet 1 part you used a email, right? Just use the same email and sign up with it. Let me quickly do that. So I created an account on the Nexus Testnet 2 using email with OTP. So just don't use the Google Connect method, use the OTP method, and after you will have able to see a wallet has been created on this section. If you click and open it, you will have the private key and phrases that you need to save it somewhere else safe. So you just need to connect, press this button to connect into the web browser node, and it will automatically prove the cycles, and you will be able to see the Nexus point here. So for CLI port, let me quickly show you this. So just copy this and then just update the packages and install some dependencies. So I just now saw the tweet that they press Y. The tweet is about node ID has been not generating properly, so they will fix it in few hours. Just wait for that. So I will also able to finish that within the time frame, I believe. And when the video got released, I hope it will all together has been fixed in the Nexus system. Because so when you click it and add CLI node, it only show the default one for every account, mostly for the most accounts. So just wait until I'll update on my Telegram, so you can able to copy the code that specifically generated for each account. So you can just copy, because this code is important like an API key. So when you run the node, it will ask for this code and then you need to paste it, so it will be connected to your account. Okay, just wait for it. Press Y. The update has been complete. Now we need to install Rust. So just press enter or 1, anything is fine. We need to continue the standard installation, so it will take only a couple of minutes. So you generally don't need to run this command, but it is good to check whether it is installed properly or not. Alright, now source it. So that has been added to the source. Alright, and then just open a screen and just paste this command. So this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So just press Y. because the Rust will install the cargo packages. That will be take around 15 to 20 minutes. So just wait patiently, or you can also close the screen and you can return to the Nexus screen window anytime you want. So for that you just need to use Control A plus and D. So it's been a day. I created the guide, so it's been over 24 hours. I just now got the code for my CLI node. So I have two VPS, so let me quickly do that with. So I'm going with want to start without ending. So I'm going with this second because I have the node ID. Type 2, press enter, and then copy your code. After copying, just paste it, press enter. So it will automatically send proof. So it starts sending the proof. So let me quickly deattach the screen. For deattaching, use Control A and D. So it will deattach. You can list the screen by typing screen -- ls. So I have the Nexus. So that's it for the CLI port. We'll able to just refresh it. So I have these many CLIs right now. For one node you can use many VPS, so you can earn as much as you can with the next points. So that's for the node port. Just follow these codes, and if you find this new, I just added with more efficient, so just follow step by step and the process I showed in the video. So for reattaching screen, you need to use Control plus A plus D. So you need to enter all of the one by one. First press the Control and then A and then D. So your screen will deattach. And then if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. That's where I post about most of the stops. And so that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe.